In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your phone as backup internet for your house. For example, if the power goes out in your house, but your laptop still has charge, you can use your phone to get back on the internet using your laptop till the battery dies. Or if you have some kind of power bank or something, you can keep it charged. Or if just your Wi-Fi router goes out and the rest of the power is still on, you can use this trick to connect all your devices to the internet until the power comes back. If you get value from this video at any point, consider liking and subscribing. It really helps the channel and I really appreciate it. So thank you for doing that. To get started, we want to pop into the Settings app. Make sure we're on the front page of the settings and then scroll down and you're going to see an option called Personal Hotspot. Tap on that to open it. Here, you're going to want to tap on this, allow others to join, and make sure that's turned on. Almost immediately, your phone starts transmitting its own Wi-Fi network, which is going to drain more of your phone battery. It's going to drain a little faster, but this is how the Wi-Fi is created that we can now connect to. You can move your other Apple devices close to your phone or your device. You can do this with an iPad as well. You can do this with any device that has a cell phone connection, maybe not an Apple Watch, but definitely a cell phone and an iPad with a cell phone connection and a data plan. So if you move an Apple device close to your device, you'll be asked here on your screen, do you want to let this device connect? And you can just tap yes, and this Wi-Fi password is going to be instantly transmitted to that device, and they're going to be connecting to the internet through your own iPhone backup internet Wi-Fi, which is super cool. If the other devices are not Apple devices, they'll have to find your iPhone or your hotspot on their Wi-Fi options. So in here under Wi-Fi, it'll have another entry called iPhone hotspot, something under hotspot. And then they can tap on that, and then they'll have to enter this password right here, and then they'll connect to the Wi-Fi network your phone has created. And this way, power outages will be a lot less boring. Next, watch this video right here where I show you how to get all kinds of storage back on your phone from places you maybe never thought of. Check that out and I'll see you there.